Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. Today we're going to do our lesson a little bit different. We're not going to be using our stepping stones today, but we're going to be reading a book to start with. It's Sets in Nature, different things that can be sorted in nature. And then we're going to do some sorting on the screen, and then I'm going to ask you to do one sorting project and take a picture of it. So first, let's start with our book, Sets in Nature. Some children got some big shells and some round shells. They made a set of big round shells. They got some oval leaves and some yellow leaves. Which ones of these are oval? That looks kind of like an oval there. That's kind of like an oval. There's an oval. Is this one an oval? No, not really. That kind of sticks out straight, doesn't it? They made a set of oval yellow leaves. They found some little flowers and some red flowers. So which ones are little? That's a little one. That's a little one of a different color. There's a little one, little one. That's definitely not a little one, right? That's a big one. And what did they make? They made a set of little red flowers. So there you go, little red ones. Which ones didn't they use? The ones they would not have used would have been this blue one, maybe that yellow one, right? That wouldn't have gone in the set because it's not little or red. They got some long grass and some brown grass. They made a set of long brown grass. Kind of nice, like a nice decoration. They found some short sticks and some white sticks. They made a set of short white sticks. So if you have these sticks that are white and short, which ones would not have belonged? This one is too long, right? That's white, but it's not a short stick, it's a long one. Maybe that one and that one as well. How about this one? This one's short, but it's not white. Doesn't fall in the group of short white sticks. How about this one? Yeah, again, it's short, it's not white. How about these little things? Well, they definitely wouldn't be put there, right? Those are flowers. They're not white. They're not sticks. Well, these are white, but they're not sticks or short. They got some flat stones and some black stones. Wow, look at the texture of those stones. That one feels really rough and that one feels smooth. They made a set of flat black stones. Which one would they have not used? That one and that one. That's kind of brown, and that's light brown, isn't it? They found some pretty feathers and some blue feathers. Okay. So this one, they really had to decide, what do I consider to be pretty? Looks like these two are the ones they thought were pretty. They made a set of pretty blue flowers. So these ones aren't blue, and maybe they wouldn't have thought that would have been pretty. Yeah, kind of broken. They found some seeds. How will they make some sets of seeds? Okay, so how could we make some sets here? They could just say, how about little gray seeds? There we are right there. How about brown seeds? If they didn't say they're big or small, they could just say brown seeds, and this is one there. There's another one there. That one's big, that one's small, but those are both brown. How about medium-sized seeds that are brown? They could say this one and that one and that one. Or how about just small seeds? Which ones would they use? I think if they use small seeds and they didn't say what color, they could use all these ones, maybe those two. But definitely not those, right? All right. Now we're going to go ahead and sort out some objects here. And now I'm going to say a clue of how we're going to sort these out and see if you can guess which ones we're going to put in the group. So I'm going to make a group of things that can move by themselves. Which of these things can move by themselves? How about a sheep? Yeah, a sheep can definitely move by himself, right? He can walk around. So get all the sheep over here. That's all the sheep. How about a fish? Yeah, underwater, they can move by themselves, right? Can a teddy bear move by himself? No. Definitely can't. He could be moved around, but he can't move by himself. How about a whale? Let's put a whale in that group. And there's a fish again, another whale. So our group is not a particular color, it's just things that can move by themselves. Just forgot that cat. and that other fish, and one more up there. Now, these cars can move, right? But can they move by themselves? No, they could just stay put in the driveway or on the street. Not until someone gets in and drives it can they be moved. So they don't move by themselves. Same thing with a sailboat. If it's tied up on the dock, it can't move anywhere. It has to have somebody in there to untie it and then sail away in it. Okay, so that's a group of things that can move by themselves. All right, I'm going to take these apart. I can go ahead and kind of mix them up here. I started with a similar color groups there. I'm going to go ahead and put a group of things that make you look really, really cool, okay? Things that make you look really cool. What makes you look cool? Pants. Okay. And what else? Pants and a shirt. I just pulled the shirt down. I think that's it, right? Can anything? Ooh, that's a button. That's kind of part of something that can make you look really, really cool. Yeah. How about fish? No. Teddy bears? No. Hot air balloon? No. Probably not. All right. Now I'm going to make another group. I'm going to make a group of vehicles that are orange. Vehicles that are orange. In other words, something you can get in and move around in. Okay. So vehicles that are orange. Car is a vehicle. Okay. That is orange. Sailboat is kind of a vehicle. You can get in and move it around. So I'm going to put that over there too. Okay. Hot air balloon. Now that's a vehicle too. You can go around in it. But should I put that in the group? No, that's not orange. So that's it. All right. And then I'm going to make one more group. Move these out of the way. One more group of living things. Not non-living, but living things. Remember the things about that are true about living things? They grow, they reproduce, they breathe, they need nutrients. Remember that? And let's see here. And they move as well. Let's see. How about living things? How about a fish? Yeah, it can grow, reproduce, these nutrients. Definitely gets all the criteria. So a fish is a living thing. A sheep is a living thing. A cat is a living thing. We know that's true. How about a car? Is it? You have to give it any food and nutrients? No, that's not a living thing. How about there's another sheep? There's another fish. And there's another fish. Any other living things? A sunflower. Forgot about that. Definitely needs the soil, needs nutrients, and it can reproduce and grows. So, also the whales, right? The whales are living things. They definitely need to eat plankton that they eat and the different things they eat underwater. They move around, reproduce, all those things. So those are all the living things. Now, how about things that are non-living? Okay, I'm going to put those over here. Now, we could really say that all these things, remember, that are not living are considered non-living. They can't breathe, can't reproduce, things like that. They don't need nutrients. Not these shapes, not these bears, definitely not the clothes. All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me for math. Now, if you like, I'd like you to find 6 different things in your house and make 2 different groups of them. So you could go ahead and find, maybe 3 things that are blue, 3 things that are yellow, make 2 different groups. You could do that. You could find 6 things and say, well, these are living, these are non-living, and you could do that. Whatever you'd like to do, and go ahead and take a picture of it, upload that, and we will see you next time. Thank you for joining me for math.